welcome. Today we have Abby Lyons with us.
Hi!
She will be singing, I will be playing. If you need a tutorial for this video, I've done a tutorial already. And this play along was requested by you all, so thank you so much. And you requested that Abby sing for us, so we're making it happen.
Thank you.
Abby's also trying to reach a subscriber goal. I will add that in the description box below, so go subscribe to her channel. Let's make it happen!
Bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. I'm the bad guy. I like it when you take control, even if you know that you don't own me. I'll let you play the role, I'll be your animal. My mommy likes to sing along with me, but she won't sing the song if she reads all the lyrics. She'll pity the men I know. So you're a tough guy, like a really rough guy, just can't get enough guy, just always so puffed guy. I'm the bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. I'm only good at being bad.
Duh. Throughout this video, I've been playing the Enya EUC 25D ukulele. I will link it down below. It's a ukulele that I really enjoy playing, and it comes with a gig bag and a few accessories, and the price cannot be beat, so I will link that down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more ukulele content and original songs, subscribe to Abby Lyons' channel. It'll be on the corner, it'll be down below, it'll be everywhere. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.